Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss trigonometry, class 10, exercise 11.2, problem number 1. In the previous video, we have seen how to solve the problems by using trigonometric ratios. In this session, we are going to discuss how to solve the problems by using trigonometric values. Click this I button to learn Introduction to Trigonometry and learn from beginning of exercise number 1. Exercise 11.2, question number 1. Evaluate the following. First one, sin 45 plus cos 45. Second one, cos 45 by sec 30 plus cosec 60. Third one, sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 whole by cot 45 plus cos 60 minus sec 30. Fourth one, 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. Fifth one, sec square 60 degrees minus tan square 60 degrees whole by sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees. These all values we need to find. We need to use the trigonometric values and we need to find these all problems. Let us see the solution. First problem, sin 45 plus cos 45. So sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. So we need to find the sin 45 degrees and cos 45. We know the trigonometric values, that is sin 0 is 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 90 1, as well as cos also. So cos 0 is 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 1 by 2, cos 90 is 0. Tan. So tan values also we know, that is tan 0 is 0, tan 30 1 by root 3, tan 45 is 1, tan 60 is root 3, tan 90 is undefined or not defined or infinity we need to take. So that remaining values are multiplicative inverse. So now here what is given? Sin 45 and cos 45. Sin 45 value is 1 by root 2 plus cos 45 value is 1 by root 2. So here denominators are equal. Denominators are equal means we need to directly add the numerators. Directly add. So 1 plus 1, that is 2 by root 2 as it is. Root 2 1 is root 2. Root 2 is 2 means we are getting root 2 we are getting. So sin 45 plus cos 45 value we got it here root 2. First one it is completed. Second one, cos 45 by sec 30 plus cosec 60. So what is the value of sin 45? So sin 45 value is 1 by root 2 whole by sec 30. So sec 30 is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 plus cosec 60. Cosec 60 value also 2 by root 3. That equal 1 by root 2 as it is whole by, here denominators are equal. So directly you can add the numerators. 2 plus 2 4 by root 3 as it is. Now it is in of the form a by b by c by d, means we need to take ad by bc. Ad by bc, this reciprocal we need to take, means 1 by root 2 into 4 by root 3 becomes root 3 by 4. So that equal 1 into root 3 by root 2 into 4, 4 root 2. So cos 45 by sec 30 plus cosec 60 value we got it here root 3 by 4 root 2. Next one it is third question. So first one it is completed, second one also completed. Now third problem, sin 30 plus cos 45 minus cosec 60 whole by cot 45 plus cos 60 minus sec 30. Third one it is sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 whole by cot 45 plus cos 60 minus sec 30. Now sin 30. What is the value of sin 30? Sin 30 value is 1 by 2 plus tan 45. Tan 45 value is 1 minus cosec 60. Cosec 60 value is 2 by root 3 whole by cot 45. Cot 45 value is 1 plus cos 60. So cos 60 value is 1 by 2 minus sec 30. Sec 30 value is 2 by root 3. Now here numerators only you can take 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 by root 3. Here you can take the LCM. LCM we can get 2 root 3 we are getting. 2 and root 3. 2 root 3 we are getting. So here numerator is 1 as it is into 2 and 2 cancel means here remaining root 3. Root 3 plus 1 as it is into here nothing. Nothing means 1. 1 into 2 root 3. 2 root 3 minus numerator 2 as it is into root 3 cancel means we are getting here 2 whole by this whole by here denominators LCM is we are getting 2 root 3. So here denominator nothing means 1 into 2 root 3 plus 1 numerator as it is 2 get cancel means we are getting 3 means root 3 we are getting minus here root 3 and here root 3 we are cancelling means here 2 into 2 we are getting 2 into 2 that equal 1 into root 3 plus 1 into 2 root 3 minus 2 2s are 4 by 2 root 3 whole by here 2 root 3 is the LCM 1. So 1 into 2 root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 2 2s are 4. Now root 3 plus 2 root 3 that is 3 root 3 minus 4 whole by 2 root 3 by 2 root 3 plus root 3 that is 3 root 3 minus 4 whole by 2 root 3. So here it is of the form A by B by C by D means we need to take AD by BC. This reciprocal we need to take means 3 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3 as it is into this multiplicative inverse 2 root 3 by 3 root 3 minus 4. So this 3 root 3 minus 4, this 3 root 3 minus 4 get cancelled. 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 get cancelled means we are getting 1 is answer. So sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 whole by cot 45 plus cos 60 minus sec 30 value we got it 1. Next one it is that is 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. So just we are using the trigonometric values. If you know the values, we are getting the answers. So fourth question, 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. So 2 as it is. Tan 45. Tan 45 value is 1 whole square plus cos 30. What is the value of cos 30? Root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin 30. So sin 30 value also root 3 by 2 whole square that equal 2 into 1 square means 1 plus 3 by 2 whole square. 3 by 2 whole square, this is the plus. 3 by 2 whole square, this is the minus. This is plus 1, this is minus 1. Get cancel means 0. 2 into 1, 2. So 2 tan square 45 minus plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60 value, we got it 2. Next, fifth problem, that is sec square 60 minus tan square 60 degrees by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. So sec 60 value how much it is? 2. Sec 60 value is 2 whole square. Here square is there, square minus tan 60 value we know, that is root 3 whole square whole by sin 30 value is 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 whole square, that equal 4. 2 square means 4 minus square root get cancel means 3 by 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, that equal root 3 into root 3, root 9. Root 9 value is 3 by 2 into 2, 4. Means we can get 3 by 4. So 4 minus 3, that is 1. By here denominators are equal, so add the numerators. 1 plus 3, that is 4 by 4. 4 1 there, 4 1 there. Means 1 by 1, that equals 1. So this value also we got it 1. So here 5 problems of first bit it is completed. We have seen how to solve the problems by using trigonometric values. In the next video, we will see same type of problems by using trigonometric values. Do comment if you have any clarification on this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.